this video, we're going to do a line chart, and we're going to use a combination of Jamovi and Google Sheets. We again are going to use the hints dataset, and it's under underscore classroom because it's a subsample of the national dataset. The variables that we're going to use are smoke stat. So this one, smoking status, and age, but it's going to be age group A. So that means it was the continuous variable, but it got split into 4 different categories. So 18 to a number, that number to another number. I'll show you the actual numbers when I do the descriptives. But my point is that it's no longer continuous. It's an ordinal variable now. So let's go into analysis, exploration, and descriptives. I'm going to look for smoke. I'm going to put it here. So this is an ordinal variable, so we need to make sure that we actually check frequency tables. And I have a problem here. I have a couple of missing levels that I need to take care of. So let's go back into variables for smoke. I double click here and it opens this menu. So -9, -7, -6, -4, and 1. Actually, 1 is fine. 1, 2, and 3 are fine. So let's tell Jamovi these levels are missing data. So -9, -7, -6, -4. I'm going to go into missing values and click on the box. So add missing value equals -9. I'm going to add another one equals -7 equals -6. And you can actually see the minimum there. It keeps changing. Equals -4. Let me show you. Now we just have the levels that we're interested in, which is current, former, never, for smoking. So current smoker, former smoker, and never smoked. Let's do descriptives on age group. So analysis, exploration, descriptives, age. There's several, but we're going to use this one. Because it's ordinal, we need to check here. Oh, we have the same issue. So variables. Why do I go to variables first? It's just easier than for me to scroll through the whole data set. Especially this one that is so big. So -9 and -4. There, I have a separate video for handling the missing data where you can just select all the columns, like if you already know what the missing values are. So if you want to go ahead and do that, you can. I'm going to change -9 and -4. So equals -9 equals -4. There you go. Yeah. Now we just have the age categories. And now we can do our frequency table with both of them. So for that, we're going to go into analysis, exploration, descriptives. We're going to put each group in the split by, and we're going to put smoke, stat, and variables. The table that I want is actually the frequencies. So here are my counts and my percentages. So I'm going to copy this into my Google Sheets. So here I've already pasted my table that I copied from Jamovi. I have the levels for 3 levels for smoke stat, current smoker, former smoker, never smoked, the age groups, the actual percentages, but I need to restructure the data. So here are my levels, and then I put the age group variable over here. 18, the last category is 45. These percentages are the ones that are here. I color coded them for you. And then we just highlight the table. We're going to go insert. We're going to go to chart, and we're going to look for line chart. So let's see what we have here. Let's do line. There you go. That's our line chart. You can play, like we can edit the title. This is my line chart for smoking using hints. Or just line chart, smoking hints. Something that is relevant to your audience. You can change the colors if you wanted to. Let's make it pink. Let me select this other one. Let's make it really blinding.